Good day, guys. It's your one and only Beast like 72, as you all know me, your mentor. So, guys, I won't waste your time. I won't waste your time. I just need you to please focus on just few minutes. You understand? So, it's a Sunday today. Looking forward to a new trading week. So, I'll just be dropping this one, guys, which has all the indices that you are aware of. NAS 100, US dates, and German dates, you understand? And on this index, guys, NAS 100, you can see that we did hit our TP. So the previous video, guys, I dropped an update about NAS 100 and we caught a buy around 9 o'clock, which was our London open, you understand? So we did chop that buying opportunities, you understand? As you can see, we did hit our TP. So if you didn't watch the previous video, I would advise you and tell you or ask you guys to please go back, you understand, to watch and see how we caught those buys, you understand? So simply the market was tapping on this resistance. We had this resistance here. We had our first touch and a second touch. So it was in a way of a double top, you understand? Then the market decided to drop down and I used my golden zone, which the market came into my golden zone around 9 o'clock, you understand? The market just decided to push to the top side, but we didn't want to aim too high, understand? We just wanted to aim to a previous high. So our previous high was there and then we just chopped the market, you understand, guys? Nothing much, simplicity only, guys. So today I'll just be going back and analyzing NAS 100, you understand? I'll just start on my weekly chart. As you can all see, I will also be identifying my lowest point, guys. I'll just be identifying my lowest point and also my highest point. So as I always say, guys, after identifying your lowest point and your highest point, just simply focus on what's inside this rectangle. Whatever that's inside this rectangle, that's only what you are focusing. Whatever happened long time ago, don't mind that, guys. Don't mind that. Just focus on what happened. So what am I doing now? Since I identified my highest and my lowest point, I will just focus on my reversal zones. I will have to identify my reversal zones, understand? So those reversal zones will act as my support and resistance. So as you can all see, guys, I have my first zone there that's marked. Also I have my second zone here. Wait, guys, that's marked, understand? Let me just fix it here. That's marked. So as you can all see, guys, that I have these two zones. This was my support and this was my resistance, and the market just decided to break, you understand? So on the smaller time frames, we just have to see where the retest will be, you understand, for us to be able to know where will we be taking our buying opportunities. So guys, as you always know, guys, I have to identify those zones and just come back to you all after I'm done identifying them, guys. I'll be back. So guys, as you can all see, I'm done identifying my zones and you can see on my screen how these zones are being respected, you understand? You can finally see how these zones are being respected, guys. I always share how these zones are being respected, guys. As I always say, guys, you have to know what you are doing in order for you to know what you want, you understand? So we have this support here, guys. We have this support here where the market was before it broke the resistance and turned it into a support. So I'll also have to mark this broken resistance and also mark our current resistance, guys, you understand? We also have to mark our current resistance. So our current resistance, that's that one. So what am I doing next? I'm just going to my daily chart to understand the market structure that I'm into, you understand, guys? So simply I will just have to mark this downtrend that was broken, which was our correction, and also mark another one there, guys, which was our correction, understand? Let me just make these things smaller because as we go to smaller time frames, guys, it will be big. So yeah, I just don't want to come back and fix them. So as you can now see, guys, that okay, fine, now on this current resistance we can see that the market did reject, you understand? Before it rejected, it came to take everyone out and then just, you understand, come to the downside. And we can see that okay, fine, we had this impulse, we had this retest, we have this impulse, we had this retest, we had the impulse. Now we have to find a retest, understand? So as we go to a smaller time frame such as 4 hour, let me just fix this there, fix that there, understand? Just have to fix that. Okay, and then let's see, what am I looking for now currently? The only thing that I'm currently looking for, I'm just looking for a possible entry point whereby we will be entering, understand? I won't be looking for much. I'll just simply be looking for those retestment entries. So I can't be drawing this trend because the market did go out and come back, understand? Which is, it's invalid for me to draw that, understand? And here, if I could just take this trend from this downside to the top side there, I can see that, okay, fine, we had our first touch there, our second touch there, and our third touch, which is what I always say, yo, third touch is always your reversal point, you understand? And only 2 points connect a trend line. So what am I supposed to be doing now, guys? I'll just have to find something that I can use in order to know the market, you understand, guys? Okay, so I can see that, okay, fine, guys, let me just delete this one because it's already invalid now. So I can see that, okay, fine, let me just fix that there. I can see that, okay, fine, the market did break out of this correction, you understand? And then it went to the top side, you understand? And after it went to the top side, now it's coming back to retest on this level. It has to come back whenever market or the price breaks a trend line. Either way, it has to come back and retest, you understand? So now the market is coming down to retest. Once it gets to this point, this is the only point that now I will have to monitor, understand? Because we had a rejection day, a rejection day, a rejection day, a rejections day, you understand, guys? And also here it was also respected, but it took everyone out, you understand? So these zones is a very important zone for you to monitor, understand? Because you have to know where the market will be coming to. So as you all know, guys, on my 4 hour, I always use my tool to see if the market will be respecting any of my entry, understand? So let me just see, guys, from this low here, sorry about that, from this low there to this high there, the previous one, where's my previous high? I mean this one, this previous high there. I'll just simply do this. So I can see that, okay, fine, the market didn't come and retest, you understand, on this one. So it's okay. So I'll just see now from the same low to the current high now, understand? From the current high, understand, guys? So we can see that the market here did come, understand? The market here did come. It's okay. So now we just simply have to take this from this low here to the, wait, guys, I just have to see it. Okay, simply have to take this low there to that high there, understand? So it's obvious that we have to wait for the market to come to this zone. Once the market comes to this zone, guys, you know we have to take those buying opportunities, you understand? But those buying opportunities, you won't take them exactly on this zone here, because the market obviously at some point it has to come and manipulate whoever entered their buys, you understand? So you'll just simply use them on this end of this straight line to the top side, you understand? So we should be aiming this high there, understand? Then your stop loss, obviously it should be at least somewhere here, understand? Just for you to be protected, you understand? So we are currently looking for our buying opportunities on NAS 100 when the market opens. So we can see that the market is currently below this resistance, so it's obviously going to come to the downside, you understand? So yes, guys, we just have to see and wait, guys, for that price and for the market to come to this zone. So now we are moving down to, let's see where are we going now. We are going to German 30 now, guys. We are going to German 30 on a weekly chart. We are going to, sorry about that, let me just do this. Okay, So on German 30, guys, this one is a very critical one to analyze, you understand? But as you know, we always come up with something, you understand? So we identify our low there, and we identify our high there, understand? And we simply what, guys? We simply use our tool to find our zones, understand? We just have to use our tool to find our zones, understand? So we have our first one there. Then let's find another one. We simply have another one there. We simply have another one there. Understand? We simply have another one there. Understand? So we can see that the market here, it broke, retested, went to the top side. You understand? So now we have to see whether this zone here, it's been respected. You understand? So if we go to the smaller time frames and we see another candlestick closing below, then we know that we are currently looking for selling opportunities. You understand? So that's how easy it is, guys. And as you all know, guys, I have to identify my zones and just come back to you all. You understand? Thank you. So guys, as you can all see, guys, I'm done identifying my zones here on German dates. You understand? You can also see here how respected these zones are. You understand, guys? So what am I doing now? I'll just simply mark this resistance there. Understand? And just also mark this support there. Understand? We are from here heading to here. Understand? So yeah, we just have to go to the daily chart now. You can see, guys, you can honestly see that these zones are being respected. You understand? So now I just have to also mark another one there. I see something here. I just have to understand. Okay, fine. We can see that the market did respect on this zone there. The market did respect this zone and went to the top side. So currently, guys, we are focusing on this zone here. We can see that the market did retest. It's the third time now. So it's been 3 days because we are on a daily chart. One candle represents 1 day. You understand? So what else are we looking for? Can we draw a trend here? Let's see if it's possible for us to draw a trend line here, guys. Let's see. It is possible, but then now we are just experiencing this thing here. So I'll just have to exclude that, just delete it for a while, just delete it. So we had also our correction here, guys. We had our correction there, and then our impulse. You understand? So now what are we waiting for? We just have to go to a 4-hour chart. On a 4-hour chart, let me just fix this here. Let me just also fix that there. So on the 4-hour chart, guys, we can finally see something now. We can finally see something. We were on a downtrend. You understand? We were on a downtrend. And what the market decided to break and just reverse here, guys. We have a sensitive area here, as you can all see. We have a sensitive area here. You understand? So yeah. So now what are we waiting for? We can see that the market did break a high here. The market did break a high there. So I can pretty say that we are heading to a down. We are heading to an uptrend. Understand? So let me just fix this here. Let me just fix this there. I can pretty say we are heading to a what? To an uptrend. You understand? I can pretty say we are heading to an uptrend. So what are we using on our 4-hour? I'm just using my zone. Sorry, not my zone. My tool from this low here to this high there. Understand? So this is what I'm using. So guys, you can see that the market was on this zone here. So imagine, let's say, guys, I didn't use this zone. You understand? And I decided to do this. Let's see. Most people do this, and I used to also do that. So you can see that here I have a smaller support here, understand, and I'll turn it to my candle. You see, I entered there and the market took me off and went to the top side, you understand. But then one thing I love about these two, it's that whenever I use it, guys, whenever I use it, I simply just enter on my last straight line, understand. So on my last straight line, you can finally see, and then I will just put my stop loss below, a little below, understand, and just take this to the top side. So you can see, guys, sorry about that, let me just do this, let me just fix it on this there. So guys, you can see that the market really did come to this zone there. Then I was supposed to take my buying opportunities, you understand. So we are also looking for buying opportunities on German 30 when the market opens. So you can see that on NAS 100 we were looking for buying opportunities. Now on this index German 30 we are also looking for for buying opportunities, you understand. So that's how simple it is, guys. That's how simple it is. Let me just do this. Let me just do this to mark there, guys. So okay, fine, let me just do that there. Okay, now it's perfect. So you can now see that we are looking for buying opportunities. So the buying opportunities will just be somewhere there. So from this low there to that high there. So these buying opportunities were there. So on Friday you were supposed to take those buying opportunities. Sorry guys, to that 90% rule there. So our 90% rule is on this resistance. So our buying opportunity is supposed to be from that zone here to that resistance there, understand. So this is our analysis for German 30. Now we have to be looking for US 30, guys. Usually I don't trade US 30 because it's unpredictable, guys. This thing, it's unpredictable. So but then I'll just have to analyze it. Now I'm looking for paper stone. Where's paper stone? Yeah, there is it. I'm looking for paper stone, understand. But then let me just use forex. Wait, forex is better, guys. Let me just use forex. Okay, no, it's paper stone, so I deleted the wrong one. So I'll also start on my weekly, guys. Like it's the same as your everyday activities, guys. It's the same. You always wake up, you always make up your bed, you always go to your bathroom to brush your teeth, you always prepare for work, or you always prepare for school. It's the same, guys. Like it's the same thing. I always do the same thing, guys. I don't do anything new. I just use the same approach to find anything, guys, that I'm looking for. Understand? If the market doesn't respect what I'm looking for, it's okay, guys. It's okay. I don't blame the market, and I won't be blaming the market. You understand? So this is what I'm currently looking for, guys. I'm looking for my reversal zones that act as my support or resistance. You understand? So yeah. So let's see something here. Okay. So we are seeing something here, guys. We are already seeing something. We can see that the market is currently on this zone here. And we see that okay, on Friday the market decided to close with a full body candlestick, you understand, showing us, it also tells us how momentum, how volatile it was, you understand. So we just have to continue identifying our zones and just look for more things, understand, on this index. So let me just identify my zones and then I'll just come back again, guys. So guys, I'm back identifying my zones. I'm done, you understand. So now you can see how these zones again are being respected, guys, you understand. You can see. So let's identify our resistance and our support. So we have this resistance there, we have this resistance. We are just hoping for a retest on this resistance. Let me just make it small. Yes sir. Then we have this support there that the market is currently at, you understand. We just have to monitor this support, you understand. We just monitor this support. And remember, guys, we don't trade at any time. We trade on a specific time, you understand. So yeah, so you can see that okay, fine, the market this US30 thing is always bullish, guys. It's always bullish. It's always bullish, guys. So yeah, so we can see, okay, fine, we can see something here. We can see that we have our 2 points. Understand? We have our first, sorry about that, we have our first, we have our second. Now we had our third. You understand? So our third point, as I always say, it acts as our reversal. But if the market decides to break this, then you know that we are going to sell to our end of the 90% rule. So about that, we simply have to just monitor every zone, guys. We just simply have to monitor every zone and just move. Oh, sorry about that. Just simply have to monitor every zone. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at now. Understand? This is what I'm looking at, guys. So you can see that the market did break a little. The market did break here and closed there, guys. So we just have to see 1 hour, 4 hour what happened. You understand? So it closed below. So since it closed below, guys, it's either it will just be like something like this, rejection, and then go to the top side, or something like this, guys. Understand? Something like this. Understand? We just have to wait for something like that. Understand? But as I said, we simply have to wait for a retest. So once we get a retest or we get any confirmation, we are entering. Don't just enter without any confirmation. Understand? So we just have to look for something extra that can motivate us that we are heading to the downside. You understand? So I'll just connect my trend from this point there to that point there. Understand? So you can see, guys, that we had our breakout here. We had our breakout. The market simply did break out here. And what are we waiting for? We have to either wait for the market to respect this trend as a third touch, or we have to wait for the market to break it. And then we know that we are heading to this 90% rule here, or that one day. But here it's very far, guys, so I think we should just wait for this one here. Understand? But as I said, we have to wait and see what the market does. You understand? So since we are on our 4 hour, we simply have to identify our special entry point. You understand? So our special entry point, guys, it's from this high there to the zone, to the low there, to the low here, guys. Understand? Let's see something. Okay, it's not valid, so we just have to wait for something extra from there to there. So something like this, guys. So we just have to wait for something like this, then push down. Understand? But then let's go to smaller time frames. I'm not satisfied with this entry point. Understand? We are not satisfied with this entry point, so we just have to move to smaller time frames, guys. Let me just also fix this trend line here and just do that. Understand? And then we simply have to do this, guys. I always love fixing my things. I don't expect any mistake from anything. Understand? I don't like making mistakes. I really don't like making mistakes. So yeah, this is what we are looking for. So let's see something, guys. Let's see something. So we had our low here, guys. We had our low here that the market currently did come and retest to. Understand? You see, then we had our what? We had our high there. Is our high? We had our high there. Understand? So this is our high, this is our low down there. Understand? So let's see if I connect my special 2 from that high to this special low here. Understand? So you can see that we have a zone here, guys. We have a zone there. We have a zone there, guys. We have a zone. So we have a zone. It's either the market will come here or the market will just leave us behind. Understand? It's either the market will come there or the market will just leave us behind. Understand? So most people here, guys, they are planning to take their cells, but then we also have to be very crucial, or we have to be very vigilant about this zone here. We are not sure whether this zone will be respected and selling opportunities will be taken, or the market makers are just manipulating everyone. Understand? But if the market just decides to come inside here, we are knowing that we are hoping to come to that point, the market will just simply be taking those same opportunities, understand, to the downside. So we have to see and believe, understand, because the market can manipulate you, guys. Let's see something. The market can manipulate you. The market can always manipulate you, guys. Understand? Something like this. You can see that the market did break and retest, and many people took their buying opportunities. Guess what? The market came down. Understand? So you might not be sure what the market will be doing. So our only confirmation here, it's if the market comes inside here around our London session, guys. If the market comes inside, then we know for sure that we are going to the top side, because also this zone here, guys, this low here, it was respected. You can see that the market decided to respect this low here. It broke the same low and it came back to retest on the same low. Understand? So we just simply have to wait for the market to either come inside and just take those buying opportunities. You understand? So this is what we are hoping for, guys. I am looking for buying opportunities, but that's only if the market comes inside here. Understand? But if the market closes, then I don't know, guys. I don't know. I really don't know. So let's just go to the, you can see, guys. So there's something here. Let me just also go to a smaller time frame. Okay, so we have something here, guys. We have a low here. We have a high there. Understand? And you can see that the market is here. So those buying opportunities can also start from there. You understand? The buying opportunities can start from there to the top side there, to the thing here. Understand? To this thing here. So this is what I can be waiting for, but this is not accurate for me. Understand? That's why I'm saying I have to wait for the market to come inside this straight line. Once the market comes inside on this straight line, then I know I'm going to the top side. Do you understand? So we just have to monitor this zone. But for now, what gives me the best confirmation is German 30 and NAS 100. US 30, I'll just have to monitor this zone on a higher chart. So yeah, as you all know, guys, it's your one and only PeaceLake72. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share the channel with your friends and family, and let's get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to comment below on your thoughts about this video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you, guys.